Yes, you can actually use aspirin to get rid of stubborn underarm, stubborn dark elbow, stubborn dark knees. You can actually use aspirin to get rid of all those skin blemishes, okay? And what is aspirin? Because I know some of you will still come back and be asking me, what is aspirin? Where can I get aspirin? Please watch this video to the end so that you don't come to the comment section and be asking me questions on the things I've already said, okay? This is aspirin. This is what it looks like. It's a tablet. It's a tablet. And the one I have here is 500 mg. Yeah, you can use the 200 or even 500. It will still give you the same result, okay? And where can you get this? You can get this over the counter from your pharmacy or chemist, whichever one you call it. You can get this from the pharmacy or from the chemist, and it's not that so expensive. It's not even expensive. Yes, it's not expensive. So when you buy it, you can be able to make your own stubborn underarm DIY treatment, okay? Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, if today is your first time of seeing this face, you are highly welcome on this channel. I do DIYs, I do protective hairstyles for kids, I talk on products, I talk on a lot of things. So please consider hitting the subscribe button down below so you can join the family, and thank you as you do that, okay? So without much talk, let's get right into the kitchen. Let us prepare this regimen that you can actually use to get rid of stubborn underarm using aspirin. Okay guys, let's get right into the video. So to prepare the treatment, you get a clean plate and your spoon. In that plate, you'll be adding 3 tablets of aspirin. Aspirin contains a fat-soluble ingredient used in the production of lightening creams and skin cleansers. So you see, aspirin has that property of lightening your skin, so it will help to lighten your underarm. Aspirin also helps in renewing dead skin cells. So go ahead and add 3 tablets into the plate. Then after doing that, the next thing you're going to be needing is lime. Here you can use lime or lemon or apple cider vinegar, but I'll be using lime, okay? Lime juice is a natural bleaching agent and can help to lighten your skin and also lighten your dark spots or scar. If you have a scar or dark spot, apply lime on it. You will see it lightening up. You will see the scar or black spot fading away. So I went ahead and I squeezed in some amount of lime juice into the plate, and that helped the aspirin to dissolve. Then mix it very well. After that, the next thing you're going to be adding to it is baking soda. Yeah, go ahead and add baking soda, about 1 tablespoon of baking soda into it, okay? But using baking soda is very good because baking soda is a good exfoliant. It can help you to exfoliate your skin, and when you do that, when you exfoliate your skin, you end up having a brighter and clear skin. So I went ahead and added about 1 tablespoon of baking soda. So the next one here is honey. I'll go ahead and add honey. You all know that honey helps to keep our skin well moisturized, and it also helps in lightening our skin. So all the ingredients we added here will help to lighten our dark spot or scar. So that's why I say that this treatment is very, very effective. It's very effective, guys. Then the last one here is coconut oil. I'll go ahead and add a little amount of coconut oil into the mixture. This is to help this mixture not to leave my skin dry after exfoliating my skin with it. Adding coconut oil is necessary, okay? You can choose to add any oil that is suitable to your skin. So I went ahead and I added the coconut oil, and now I'll go ahead and mix everything very well. Mix everything very well until they properly combines together. So that is it. Remember, the coconut oil I added is so as not to leave my skin dry after exfoliating, okay? So now guys, this is it. I'll go ahead and show you guys how you can use this to exfoliate your skin and get clear underarm, clear elbow, and clear knees, okay? So here I have the mixture with me, as you all can see. This is it. Now I'll go ahead and show you guys how you can actually apply this, how you can use it to exfoliate your underarm, your elbow and all that. Okay, first you get a cotton wool, dip the cotton wool into the treatment, dip it into the treatment. Then once that is done, you go ahead and use it to exfoliate your underarm. Use it to exfoliate your underarm very well. Then after that, you also use it to exfoliate your elbow, your knuckles, your knees, all the places you have dark spots. Okay, use it to exfoliate everywhere, all the places, all the joints that you have dark spots. Yeah. So after exfoliating, then you leave it to stay there for 30 minutes or 40 minutes, depending on how long you can wait. And after that, you go ahead and wash it off. Now I went ahead and I washed my off. As you all can see, did you see the place is looking brighter after exfoliating? Then the last thing you have to do is to make sure that you apply coconut oil or any oil you feel like using. Okay, apply coconut oil or any oil on the places that you've just exfoliated. Okay, don't ever leave it dry. Please don't ever leave it dry. Okay, so now I went ahead and I applied coconut oil on my underarm. As you all can see the difference. Then I'll also go ahead and apply coconut oil on my elbow. Is very necessary. You do know that leaving your elbow, your knees dry, leaving them dry also, contributes to them getting dark. Yeah, that's why it's always good to moisturize those areas. Yeah, that's very important. So guys, that is it. That is how you can use aspirin to get rid of stubborn dark on the arm, stubborn elbows, stubborn knees, and stubborn dark knuckles. That is actually how you can use aspirin to get rid of all those skin blemishes. Okay, and there's something I have to tell you. I always say this: when you're trying DIY, please give it a time. Skin type differs. Okay, what worked for me within 1 week might work for you within 1 month or even within 2 days. Okay, so while trying DIY, try to give it a time. Okay, don't always rush and come back and say that it doesn't work. But this right here, I'm guaranteeing you guys, I'm telling you guys that it works. This works. Okay, try to use it the right way. And mind you, after exfoliating your underarm, don't ever leave it dry. Always make sure you apply your coconut oil to it or any other oil that is suitable to your skin. Don't leave it dry. Leaving your underarm dry or your knees or your elbow dry will always make it to be dark. Make sure you moisturize those areas. Okay, don't ever leave it dry. It's very necessary that you moisturize after exfoliating. Okay, make sure you do that. So that is it, guys. If you like this video, if you enjoyed watching this video, please kindly give me a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and share this video. Okay, please share this video so that others will enjoy this goodness with you guys. Okay, thank you all for always coming back to support me. Thank you all for always clicking on my video. I appreciate you all. I appreciate your support. Thank you, and see you all in my next video. Bye bye.